How to change your personal Insta account to creator's account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your personal Instagram account to a creator's account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Insta. Make sure that you're logged into the account which you want to change to a creator's account. Now head over to your profile on the bottom right, and now you'll need to tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, you're on the settings and activity. You'll need to scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you should see an option called your account types and tools. Tap on it, and now there you'll see an option to change your account type to a professional account. Tap on switch to professional account and then tap on next. Now you will see options such as your self here, whatever you want to be. The creators option, if you want to be an artist, tap on artist. If you want to be a digital creator, do that. If you want to be a content creator, you can do that as well. So tap on switch to professional account, and there you will see two options. One is for business, one is for creators. Tap on creator, select creator, and tap on next. Now you'll need to go through these 7 basic steps such as completing your profile, getting inspired, Meta verified, and stuff like that. So you can do this anytime, but your account will now get changed into a professional account. So that is how you can change your account to a creator's account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.